So I'd like to show you how to apply shading to alternating rows within your table. And with examples such as this, where it's sort of a small data set, it may not be as intuitive or necessary. But if you have a report that has, say, 100 different rows and up to, say, 50 or more columns of data, then if you have a user that's going in here and looking for a specific data set, so let's say they're looking for the data for January 25th, and then they're having to scan all the way over to look, 20 columns to the right, and hopefully their eyesight, they'll be able to stay on this one row. And this is especially important if you're printing out tables, especially if it's a smaller font. It's extremely difficult to trace your row to the right and make sure you're looking at the desired data set. So one way to help alleviate that is to apply shading to alternating rows. And some of the newer versions of Excel allow you to do this with their table function. But what I'm going to show you now is can actually be used with any version of Excel, and it's fairly simple to apply as well. And it's using the conditional formatting function, and then using a formula to apply formatting to the desired rows. And so the first thing you want to do is highlight the data within your table. And then you want to go up, and your version of Excel may have this in a different spot, but you want to find conditional formatting. It's typically under the Home tab, and then it's labeled pretty readily towards the middle of your ribbon. But conditional formatting, we're going to enter a new rule, and we're going to click on Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Okay. And then once we have that, we want to use the following formula. And you can either type this in, or I'm also going to post the formula in the description of this video, so you can simply copy and paste it as well. The formula is equals MOD, open parentheses, row, open close parentheses, comma 2, close parentheses, equals 1. And basically what that's telling Excel is on every odd number row, I want you to do this. And so to tell it to do, or to tell it what to do, we need to click on Format. We'll go up to Fill. And then let's apply, you don't want it to be too light but not too dark either. So we'll go down and apply a medium shaded gray. OK. And then click on OK. And so you can see it makes it a lot easier to read and trace items across the table. It also makes it look much more professional, especially if you're going to print this out for folks to read as well. So again, I'll post this formula in the description of the video, and hope it comes in handy.